Hey, what's going on? Quick hacker here, y'all. I just found out. What I found out is in the back of your toilet, this flap right here, it caused our toilet to run for the last probably year. We replaced the fill valve probably 3 to 4 months ago, and then now this flap, if you lift it up and notice, it's warped around here, and that's what's causing it to actually run. But what that did to our bill was about three times the normal amount of our water bill every month for about a year. We've been paying for that. But yes, a $12 flap that I'm replacing right now. So not replacing this $12 flap from Home Depot probably cost us close to $1,000 probably. Makes me sick, but the problem's going to be fixed. So filling the water back up now, give it a flush, and I think that's going to fix the problem, folks. So don't let a $12, $13 problem cost you $1,000.